Good afternoon and welcome to another video. We're off to Stanley Park to show you around and we're going to go feed the pigeons. So I hope you enjoy the video. You ready, Sean?
Yep.
Off we go. Do you know what? It's actually pretty warm in Blackpool today. It's about 9 degrees.
Yeah, Carl's reading 11.
All right, 11 degrees. So I've taken my jacket off because it's more or less bikini weather. What do you reckon?
I don't think I'd look good in a bikini, but okay.
But yeah, it's nice and warm. So yeah. What a bobbly.
Put your teeth back in. Put your teeth back in. And start again.
It's a Bobby Dazzler of a day. So me and Sean, we love coming and feeding the pigeons at Stanley Park, and that's exactly what we're going to do now. We've got nuts, we've got seeds. Usually it's quite funny, isn't it? Because they come and land on us and like sit on our heads and everything. It's really funny. So hopefully, fingers crossed, I think they'll do it today. Hopefully there's no kids around that are going to chase him. That really annoys me. When kids chase them, everyone. A lot of people don't like pigeons, do they?
Not really. I mean, there's a few dogs on the park too, so this might be a little bit interesting.
Yeah, but let's go and have a laugh. Yeah. Oh, Stanley Park looks amazing today. It's a really nice day. It's not that cold. Good day to feed the birds, and hopefully not get attacked by a goose. Or a swan, like I did last time. We'll set up on that wall over there, I think. Right, so the camera's set up. We're getting the seeds out. This is going to be quite funny. They absolutely love these. They go berserk over them. Let's get them opened. Oh,
there we go.
There's already one here. Sean keeps swearing. I apologise if you hear it. I just don't like the feel of these. Ooh, horrible. Here they come. Here they come. Come on. Oh yeah. Oh wow. Right, we'll save some and we'll try that.
Yeah, we'll save that other bag.
Thank you. I want a pigeon to come and land on me. They're not coming landing on me. They might do in a minute. Come on. Please come and land on me. Sean, don't throw them over there. Get them over this side.
There's a lone pigeon on it, though.
I don't think Sean likes being on camera sometimes. Maybe he's Mr. Grumpy today. Come on, pigeons. Put some on here, see if they jump up here.
Nowhere's best to be.
Come on. I want them to land on my hand, but they won't. Oh, come on. See if they'll, trying to see if one will land on my hand. Come on. Oh, are we?
Oh, thinking about it.
Just wait, you don't have to pull nice because you've got a tight on the lead. Come on.
Yeah, they're thinking about it, aren't they?
That's 'cause there's a couple of dogs
Oh,
around.
come on.
Nice food for dogs.
I suppose they've got to be in the mood to come and land on your hand. Come on. They're not having it today.
They just know where the food is.
They're definitely not having it today, everyone.
Nice food for birds.
Yeah, they're not up for getting on me today. Hello. How are you today? Oh, okay. Let's have a look out at the lake. Yeah, it's lovely here. I do love coming here. I'm going to come here a lot more in the summer as well. That's a big ass swan. Oh, ducks are fighting. That noise they're making. Oh, that's a little ducky. Is it? That isn't a duck, is it? I don't know what that is. Where the heck has it gone?
It'll come up somewhere. There it is.
Oh, hello. Sean's enjoying himself.
Yeah.
Right, you ready?
No chance.
Hey, come and get on my hand. Come on. Nope, they're not having it. But there was a lady that just said, if we go over there into the woods,
Yeah. Where the squirrels are.
where the squirrels are and the robins, that the robins fly down
Yeah.
and land on your hand and
Yeah.
they eat it out your hand. So
Yeah,
we
if
might
you
try
show them-
that
Show them on
soon.
the camera. Show them
So
where you see the bridge in the distance between the trees. Just to the left of there's a pathway going into the woods towards the hospital. So that's
Yeah.
where we're going to head next.
yeah, we'll try that. My God, there is a squirrel. Oh, that is so cute. Oh. Obviously hungry. Way! Not actually as warm as I thought it was, to be honest. It's gone quite cold. And I've left my jacket in the car and it's about a 10-minute walk back to the car. Oh well. All enjoying themselves. Oh, here come the seagulls. Hello.
Two squirrels.
Oh yeah, over there. I'll try and zoom in for you and then you can see them. Someone's just walked past us and said it's like the Home Alone scene. They're not wrong.
It's the what?
Like the Home Alone scene. What a lovely day. And there's Sean. Do not bite me. If you bite me, I will bite you back. They're actually beautiful, aren't they? They're big buggers. Right, so we're going to go into these little woods and see if we can find the robins. I have definitely not got the right shoes on. Oh well. Right, let's go and see if we can see any wildlife anywhere. A bit treacherous around here. Definitely got the wrong shoes on.
We both have.
Yeah. Oh dear. We sometimes see like turtles as well around here. Maybe we might see some today. Who knows? We will go and have a look. Whatever you do, Sean, don't slip. Very muddy. We did have a lot of rain yesterday. I think it was yesterday. So probably not a good time to come out. Obviously you can see in the distance over there, that's the road down to Blackpool Zoo.
I don't know if you can hear them, but the sea lions are...
Oh yeah, the sea lions are...
making the noise.
Yeah. And obviously, what's that road called there?
I think...
I can't remember.
I think it's West Park Drive.
Yeah.
I think.
So you've got the De Beer Hotel in that direction. And obviously the entrance to Blackpool Zoo over there where we went the other week. And the lake. So we're going to go and try and find these robins for you. I'm not walking down there, I will go on my backside. That's what I mean, people. It's very muddy and very slippery. So let's try and walk up here. Oh Jesus, this isn't good. This is not good at all. I'll have to be so careful. I don't want to end up with a broken leg like my mother. Oh shit. Sorry. What?
You okay?
Yeah. Oh, we finally made it.
Yeah, like that.
Really got to catch that beat.
I didn't catch it. Do it again.
Really?
Yeah. So we've got half a bag of peanuts, which we're going to go and scatter for the squirrels, and then we're going to go and grab a brew and chill out for a bit.
Hello.
You enjoyed yourself?
I have actually. It's peaceful. It's nice.
It is nice here.
It's a nice,
Yeah.
nice environment. Always is all year round.
Yeah, it is. It's lovely.
Sure, I've just seen a squirrel.
We might have just seen a squirrel.
Saw two before.
We'll see if we can find them. Otherwise, it's just going to be a video of trees. Sean's just chucking his nuts. Oh, there's one.
Where are we looking?
Up the tree.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh, the squirrel smelled the dog, that's why.
right, time to go to the cafe if it's still open. Hopefully it should be. The brews from here are actually really nice. and the food's pretty good from here. The only thing is it's very expensive, but you know, if you can afford it, then it's all good. We have a nice coffee now, and Sean's just had marshmallow on his face, but he's
Whereabouts?
no, it's gone now.
Okay.
So that is us done at Stanley Park. We've just had a brew and we're off back to the car, and we're going to say ta-ra. We've been struggling with everything being shut at the minute. We're struggling with the videos. We don't know what to film, where to go. So we hope you do enjoy this video. I'm sorry if it's been a bit boring, but we will see you in the next one. And we've been the Tandem Explorers. Me, Claire.
Me, Sean.
And we'll see you soon. Take care.